This motorhome is the Tourer T143LE from Carthago, and this is a semi-integrated motorhome on a Mercedes base. It will cost around €101,000 and it's 706 centimeters in length. To the rear we have a German layout, and this, as always, offers wardrobes below. It has a large set of stairs to get up into bed, and it of course has storage all the way round. The stairs will move backwards and forwards depending on if you want the bed out with this in there, or you want it to be the shorter version. I've put the cushion in the wrong way. It goes in like that, and push it back a bit. Here we have the washroom, which is particularly large, with this enormous mirror in it and a window in the roof. If you want to watch the television in bed, well, the television will go in here, and there it is. On the other side, while you're watching television, you might want some cold beer, and you can keep it in the fridge here. The kitchen has 3 hobs and a sink, and lots of storage all the way around and above. And here we have the Carthago coffee option. Living room, large table, storage all the way around, also using the bulwark up front. And if I come out, I can show you the large garage which is at the back of the vehicle, with a huge amount of space, really. Now, this vehicle is a new vehicle for 2022. It has been done before on the Fiat Ducato, but now there's a choice of the Fiat Ducato or the Mercedes Sprinter as the base vehicle. On the Mercedes, you're looking at around 15,000 approximately more money in euros. So that's a very quick walk around this vehicle. I hope you found that of interest. I've tried to do it in 3 minutes and I've succeeded. However, there's another video on this site related to this vehicle which will give you more information. Thanks very much for watching.